of them come with a roof. Even the XRC model did not come with a roof, so I bought a full sport roof. I think you could probably see a little bit up there. It's got plenty of add-ons here, so you could add, you know, an upper console, upper storage container. You could put a dome light in there. You could put a rear light back here. All kinds of different options, but had to have a roof. Pretty hard not to have a roof, and in my opinion, it looks pretty sweet. So that was Can-Am. Also,